Attention civil engineers. What if I told you that QQQI could replace your whole entire salary? In this video, we're going to go over the numbers. And I promise you guys, the numbers will shock you. Guys, what if I told you that you wouldn't need 5 million, you won't need 2 million, 1 million, you won't even need $850,000. But before we get to the topic, I am not a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment and informational purposes, so please do your own research. Guys, this video is also scenario based. Guys, before we get to the numbers, let's look at the setup. Number one, we're only going to look at the U.S. national salaries. Number two, we're only going to use QQQI dividends, which is paying 14%. So not capital gains, no capital losses, no taxes, no number of shares, etc. And we're going to break down 3 salaries: entry level, median level, and peak salary. So finally, let's get to the numbers. Entry level salary. So the average entry level salary for a civil engineer is $67,000 a year. So if we wanted to replace this salary with QQQI dividends, we're going to need $479,000 invested into this ETF. Median salary. The average median salary for a civil engineer is $90,000 a year. If we wanted to replace this salary with QQQI dividends, we're going to need $643,000 invested into this ETF. Finally, peak salary. The average peak salary for a civil engineer is $125,000. So if we want to replace this salary with QQQI dividends, we are going to need $839,000. See, guys, I told you, you won't even need $850,000. I mean, just look at the math. You could do the math yourself. So how did I get these figures? So what I end up doing is I took the yearly salaries and I divided by 0.14, basically, which is at 14% in decimal form. So let's go over, do a little summary. All right, entry level salary, $479,000 invested in QQQI. Median salary, $643,000 in QQQI. Peak salary, $839,000 in QQQI. And this is based off a civil engineer salary. Now, you're probably looking at these numbers and you're probably having doubts. You're probably telling yourself, I don't have 900, 500. I don't even have $300,000. And guys, let me tell you this. Most people do not have that much money. And it's not about having a large sum of money. It's about working your way up to those figures. Guys, as long as you stay consistent, as long as you stay disciplined and invest in all types of markets, you will be able to reach those figures. I am not going to promise you with this strategy that you're going to retire in 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. It might take you 30, 40, maybe even 50 years. Who knows? It's all going to depend on you. It's all going to depend on how much QQQI you put into this on a regular basis. It depends on how much you invest. If you invest more, you can retire early. If you invest less, you're going to retire later on. It's just basic common sense. All right, guys, before I wrap this video up, I just want to let you know, just give you a fair warning that, even though QQQI is a great ETF, it has produced it's producing phenomenal gains now, and it's produced phenomenal gains in the past. But that does not mean the future returns are guaranteed. QQQI is an investment. And just like with any investments, it can go bad at any point. And guys, think about this when you are putting your money into QQQI. The NAV can erode, the dividend can decline, and also the dividend can be cut, especially if we're in a bear market, especially if we're in a recession. So just keep that in mind when you are making these types of investment decisions. All right, guys, that wraps up this video. thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in, and thank you for all the positive comments and the support. If you are a civil engineer or have been a civil engineer in the past, please comment in the comment section. If you are a QQQI investor, if so, put it in the comment section. And also, how many shares do you have in QQQI? And how much money do you want to make off of this ETF? Put that in the comment section. So if you guys found this video helpful, informative, or entertaining, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. And guys, hit that notification button to where you'll be able to know exactly when my videos come out. So again, thank you so much for the new subscribers. I much appreciate it. I will see you guys in the next video.